Hi, I'm Harish Goteti and welcome back to my channel. Today everyone is talking about Claude, Claude agents, Claude cover, Claude, Claude, everything about Claude, right? And a lot of businesses are trying to figure out how do they validate or how do they try it out or explore Claude in a way that it is cost effective, right? So you probably spend a ton of time, from your team members, or you may not even have an IT team, right? So and you probably reached out to a couple of cloud consultants, and they are charging you a bomb to just do a validation, right? So the whole idea of this video is for you, if you are a business owner, a small business owner, own a practice firm, anything, and want to know how Claude can transform your business in a cost-effective way, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step, a four-step framework on how you can go ahead and successfully run a Claude proof of concept for your business, irrespective of whatever use case. And most of the time, you don't have to spend a single cent or a single dollar for that matter to get it done. So sounds interesting, right? So let's dive in. So here's the four-step, framework for a successful cloud adoption. The first thing is, if your team already knows what needs to be implemented, or if you already know what needs to be validated using Claude and identified two or three use cases, it's great. Otherwise, we offer a free assessment where I'll speak with you to discover the highest priority, or the best topmost use cases, right, for the POC or the proof of concept. So take a free assessment, or just go ahead, and if you already know, then you can just go to step two. The second thing is you need to engage with an AWS partner or a Claude partner, right? The reason I said AWS partner is because Claude can run fully on AWS at this point in time, right? So because they had that kind of agreement. So I myself is both, an AWS partner and also a Claude partner, right? So what AWS partners can do, if you are willing to run Claude on AWS, is they can help you facilitate a POC or a proof of concept for zero cost in most cases. Right, so that's step number two. So the next thing is, once you engage with an AWS partner like me or anyone else and say, hey, we are interested to run Claude on AWS, and we want to do this POC, and everything will be sorted out. And then once you implement the proof of concept and validate the results from the POC, then what you can do is you will get a blueprint to for implementation blueprint for implementing it in the production and at scale. All right, so that's the next step. Once you are satisfied with the results, once you have the blueprint, now it's all about, then there is no risk, as you know it works, right? Then you can invest in implementing or deploying the solution at scale in your business across probably multiple business units, and you are good to go. So this simple four-step framework can help you eliminate all kinds of confusion, help you eliminate the requirement, or the need to spend your team's time or your money in validating all these concepts, right? So that's really the key. Now, so here's my contact information. If you have, if you want to go ahead and explore it, just shoot me an email, and do subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to share a lot of content on how to build a successful business using Claude and AI agents. Thank you.